How to fix a blueberry with yellow leaves. If your blueberry plant has leaves that are turning yellow, it may have what is called chlorosis. It is often caused by an iron deficiency. It is a nutrient problem that is displayed by yellowing leaves with dark green veins. Now, the problem is not that the soil doesn't have enough iron in it. Rather, the blueberry plant is unable to use the iron in the soil because the soil's pH is too high. Blueberries prefer an acidic soil with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Unfavorable conditions. Blueberries that are planted in neutral soils between 6.5 and 7 are likely to turn yellow and not grow well. Also, watering your blueberry plant too much can cause iron chlorosis and the yellowing of the leaves. Try and water with rainwater because it is more acidic than tap water. What you need to do. You need to do a soil test to determine the soil's pH. If this is too high, then you need to add something to the soil to provide a better environment for the roots by making it more acidic. There are two simple methods you can use to solve this problem. One is fast acting, while the other is a more long-term solution. How to lower the pH after they are planted. The quick method. You can use diluted vinegar to help lower the pH level and make the soil more acidic. Using vinegar to acidify the soil is a short-term but quite an effective method. It is cheap and a convenient fix and a handy alternative to other chemical solutions. The vinegar method. First of all, you need to mix 2 tablespoons of vinegar in 1 gallon of water to make an acidic solution. Then water the blueberry plant with this solution once a week. Take care to water the soil and not the plant itself, and then monitor by checking the pH level every 3 to 4 weeks. The Slaw Method. You can add irrigaceous compost to the blueberry plant to make it more acidic. However, this method is slow acting. You can buy this irrigaceous compost or make your own, and you can see my video on how to make this. So, if your blueberry plant is yellowing, it may be a sign it has an iron deficiency. So you need to alter the pH of the soil to provide the best conditions for the plant to uptake iron and other nutrients. Once you get the soil pH right, it is easy to grow blueberries.